Good morning and welcome back to my channel. This is Carolyn, your retired again happy friend from Mississippi. And as we start this new year, 2025, in my little world, it's getting off to a rocky start. And I have a lot of things going on, which is causing me to think even more frugally and be more of a frugal shopper and thinker than I was at the end of the year. So I hope that's not the case in your world, but if it is, let's share together so we can go along this journey of retirement and help each other and support each other. So I'm glad you came back. Today I wanted to talk about 4 things that I no longer do, that I have stopped doing to be frugal. So one of the things I've had many questions about what I do to my hair, what I put on my hair. I've got a lot of compliments on the color of it. And the truth is, in 2020, during COVID, when I was working part-time at Chico's and I was coloring my hair then, and when we got into the quarantine part of it, I didn't see anybody and I was staying at home, so I let it grow out, and I had no idea what my natural color would be, but I let it grow out and find out, and fortunately I like it. So it's a really pretty silver, but I don't put anything on it. This is one of my frugal shoppings. This is the shampoo that I use, and I get this one at Dollar Tree. And it is a volumizing shampoo. It's PS, and it says that it is sulfate-free, paraben-free, dye-free, phthalate-free, cruelty-free, and vegan. So, anyway, I hope you can see that. I hope the glare is not too bad on that, but I can put it in the comments below. And then after I wash my hair with that, then I put this is La Color Gloss, and I get this at Walmart. So this helps to take a little bit of if there's a yellow tone or tint to my hair, this takes out the yellow and gives it a softer color, a silver color. So another thing that I don't do, I don't color my hairs, number 1, and I don't go to the nail salon and get my fingernails and toenails done. So I shared this on another video, but in case you didn't see that one earlier in the year, I do my own nails, and I have not been to a nail salon in forever, but this is what I use on my nails. And it's Nail Magic. And my nails have grown out. The last time I did my nails was New Year's, getting ready for New Year's Day. And this is January 11th. So I haven't had to do anything else. I have not had one single nail chip or break. And it's wonderful. I've been using that for about 5 years, and I highly, highly recommend it. So I don't go to the nail salon. I don't color my hair. I don't use any kind of cake mixes or prepared mixes. I do my cooking from scratch. I get my basic ingredients at the grocery store, have my basic flour, sugar, eggs, butter, hamburger meat, vegetables, whatever I need, and I do all of my cooking from a recipe from my own ingredients. That way I know what's in it, and it's so much more economical. I can do so much more with those basic ingredients than just getting a mix. I don't buy cake mixes. I don't buy Bisquick or pancake mix. You can make wonderful biscuits and wonderful pancakes with self-rising flour, an egg, some cooking oil, and a little bit of sugar. But so that's number 3 that I don't do. The 4th thing that I don't do is compare myself to my neighbors or my others around me. So I know my income, I know what I can afford, and I know my lifestyle that I have to live according to my life. So I have learned I have to stop comparing what I have or what I can do to my neighbor down the street or my best friend at church or anybody else that I know. So I've stopped comparing what I have to what somebody else has or is able to do. I don't go out to eat very often, and if I do, it's a very special occasion. So having said that, that is part of my frugal lifestyle that I love. It's been a good change. It's taken some adjustment, and along this journey of retirement, it's constantly changing. So we have found that out. Last video, I said nothing stays the same very long. Everything is going to change. So a little bit later, it's almost lunchtime, I'm going to make a recipe. This is my cookbook that I had put out when I was still working, and I have basic recipes in it. They're simple, quick, easy. I put it in for mothers who are busy, who are raising their children and don't have a lot of time to cook. And what I'm going to be making today out of this cookbook is easy beefy mac. And I'm going to show how to make that, and I'll include the recipe on that at the end of the video. These are the ingredients. This is our recipe we're going by. I have prepared this for the last 25 years, and it was a staple at our house when we were raising our 5 children. And